What's going on, y'all? It's y'all boy DC in a building. In a building. It's Monday, May 18. We focused on winning, bro. We're gonna have a great day, a blessed day, and let's run it up, bro. Right now, what we're seeing is gold. As always, we always looking at gold. We are trading what is this thing called? A funded account until I am able to grow my live funded again. So I'm gonna give a quick review of the account and where it's at right now. So this is the account and this is where we at. We've only came up 385. We actually came up more than that, but since we closed these trades that break even, and one last week was a winner, one was a loser. As you can see it right here. Oh, it doesn't. It only shows the aftermath. Okay. But yeah, that's what we on. We trying to get this win. Let's get this win this week, man. Let's run it up, bro. Let's just run it up. There's no excuse. But gold right now is on the uptrend, on a higher time frame, and on the lower time frames. There's a 15-minute demand right here, but there's a strong level of support right around here. As you can see, 5-minute is clear as day. Breaking levels of resistance, holding levels of support, breaking higher highs. You feel me? That's it. It's simple as that. There's nothing else we gotta see. There's nothing else we gotta. We took London highs, and we still have London lows to worry about. But prices on the uptrend, so we looking to the upside. Let me take this off. The 1 hour is doing the same thing, but the 1 hour is shifting to the uptrend on the lower time frame. So right now, price is holding that level of support. We are looking for an entry. Simple as that. We are going to be taking this setup. The only thing is that we're in a no man's zone. We do have these highs to target maybe, or the 200 EMA, which is right here on the 15. On the 5 there is nothing, so we're just trying to get this win, man. Let's see how long this candle is going to be. Alright, this thing is getting pretty large. We're taking a slight risk. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I'm liking this setup. It's not a bad setup. Alright, we just took our entry right there. We just took our entry right there. Our 101 is gonna be right here. Let's see what price do, man. It's been running to the upside for a minute. Oh, also one more thing. Let me see. Another thing is today we have no news to worry about. So it's a straight go. It's a straight go. We're not doing nothing else. It's a straight go. I might just take everything at the 101 today. I just might. But I just might take everything at the 101. We'll see. Or I take off more than half of my possession at the 101. That's it. So on the 15, we have on the 15 minute, we have the 200 playing defense right here. 200 EMA playing defense. So we just want to break that and hopefully keep going. Trying to go for this liquidity right here. Let's see. Let me see. What high is that? Is it a session high? Yep, it's a London high. Man, we definitely gonna target this high. We definitely gonna target this high. Prices are most likely going to head there since it's on an uptrend. So let's see what it do. Let's see what it do. I don't want to see price struggling to break this 200. I don't want to see that. I do not want to see that. Let me put a... Okay, let's take this off because we don't need this. Price is also bouncing from this demand zone that it attempted to hold right here. Am I streaming? Oh. I thought I wasn't streaming again. Oh my lord. I keep forgetting if I'm streaming. Like, not if I'm streaming, but did I click start or not? That's what I be talking about. Can we get more than a 1 or 2 today? Today we trying to see if we could go for more than a 1 or 2. Last time we got a 1 on 1, almost a 1 or 2, and then it reversed to hit break even, but that was fine. It's cool. Nothing to be mad about. But we about to hit the 1 on 1. I'm about to get ready to close some contracts just in case this thing start wilding. This is a strong uptrend. I do want to break that 200. I want to take most of my contracts just because the 200 is right there. But man, all right. I want to see price breaking this 200. And I don't want to see price coming back to break even. I do not want to see that. That's not what I want to see. Because if not, I'm going to just close. But we're right there from take profit number 1. And let's see if we could get something more than that. Let's see. Let's see if we could get something more than that. This candle was really good. You just got to keep it going. Hey, come on, bro. Come on, gold. Don't do this okie dokie stuff. Yeah, if it comes back, I'm just gonna close, bro. I'm just gonna close. Because we not doing this, bro. We is not doing this. How far did it come up? From stop loss. Oh my gosh. 0.90? That's wild. To close that break even? I mean, we'll see, bro. Because this is on a strong uptrend. If it does stop us at break even, we'll see if we could get another entry. But for right now, this is what we got. I'm going to give it a little room because the 1 minute low is right here. But if we come back to this, I'm just closing. It don't matter. I can't believe we having this type of candle. But like I said, we are tapping the 50. I mean the 200 on the 15 minute. That's just what it is. Let's see. It did wick. It did wick down there. All right, I'm closing. All right, I just closed right there. I just closed right there. Um, man, what can I say? I just closed right there. We'll see if we could get another entry, bro. What the hell is gold on? Look at this, bro. Are you serious? I just closed right there. But imagine it was a fake out. I'll be sick. I'll be sick. But I just closed right there. There's like, how is price gonna react like that? But I get it. It's we did tap the 200 EMA, so we'll see if we could get another entry, bro. We'll see if we could get another entry. Mind you, our stop loss was supposed to be down here. It came too close to TP. That's why I didn't want to risk this whole entire thing. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Damn, the 200 was that strong, bro. Damn. We still heading to London highs, bro. I'm pretty sure. Price created another demand zone right here. But we'll see, bro. We'll see what price is on, cause this is some nonsense right here. This is some nonsense. How you go like this and then you respond like this? That no make no sense. I was thinking of, since it never hit stop loss, since it hasn't hit stop loss on this setup, it just hit my break. Damn. Hold on. What the hell? I was gonna take another entry right here, since it never really hit um the stop loss, but it's gone for sure now. Shoot. Now I gotta rethink about taking another setup because that was just terrible. The way this reacted, I have nothing to say. There's like, what the hell? The only thing that I could see why this setup didn't win is because that 200 EMA. That 200 EMA on the 15-minute playing defense. Full court press, bro. Full court press. Nothing playing. Full court press. Look at that. Wait, hold on. The 1 hour looks good to the upside. Everything still looks good to the upside. Everything still looks good to the upside, bro. But, like I said, price did tap the 200 and we lost on the 15-minute. Well, we didn't lose. We just took a break even. I thought we were going to get at least TP number 1, bro. God damn. I still want to take buys. That still seems like the best type of setup to take buys from here. I don't know about taking this setup right here. Because now it could go either way. it can go back to test this 200, or it could go fake out, keep going down. The trend on the 1 minute is already on a downtrend. Well, it's forming a downtrend just because we broke these levels of support, and now it could form like a lower high type, like around above the 13. Um, the 1 minute did bounce from the 200, but the 1 minute is too small of a time frame for me to actually be like, oh, we got to bounce from the 200 on the. Nah, I don't believe. I don't believe that much on the 200 from the 1 minute. But like I said, it still looks like on the overall time frame, on the higher time frame, it looks like an uptrend. That's why I don't know if I want to take this. I don't know if I want to take this. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I want to take this. How big is the stop loss? 45 points. I don't know. If I do take it, it's gonna be with like super low size. I just don't see this setup winning, since the 1 minute is forming lower highs and lower lows. Well, lower low for right now. The 1 hour candle just opened right after the rejection from the 200 on the 15. So it's like, it's looking tough. Maybe if we get the tap on the 15 minute and the 5 minute demand zone that's right here, maybe I could take buys, but then the whole trend will just be different now. Like this whole entire thing will be different. Yeah, I would just lower my risk if I would take a setup from here. Cause it's still holding these levels of support on the higher time frame. It's just on the 1 minute that is on a downtrend. It's still holding all these levels right here from the 15. Still holding all this. Now one candle has closed below that. This entire thing right here, on the 5 minute, it looks like what it did on the 15 minute right here. Right here. Creating higher highs and maintaining the equal lows. I just wouldn't know if price is still it's ready to start going to the upside. I'm not sure. This we're seeing it on the 5 minute. All of this we're seeing it on the 5 minute. So I would still consider this a 15-minute level of support and a 5 minute level of support, but yeah, it hasn't closed any 5 minute level of support. What up? What up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? We live on the flesh. We live on the flesh. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure we're gonna get another setup today. We're patiently waiting. The 1 minute, I just want to see. I want to see a break of these highs and a continuation of these highs. I want to see a break of these highs. Like some type of like reversal candle, like a strong closing candle. Then that. Yeah, right now prices are looking like it wants to go. It wants to keep going down. Damn, son. I'm not gonna lie. These other traders don't be having emotions, but I do. Shoot, I stick to my plan no matter what, but I still have emotions, bro. I don't care. Um, damn, bro. Look, it came 0.9 away from our take profit. 8.80 0.08 points away from our take profit. and then it reversed to hit break even. I wanted to let this one run because last week we took these sells Tuesday, Thursday. Thursday we took a sell. We took a sell. Where was it? I think it was right here. Yeah, it was right here. This sell right here, it lost because it was a fake out. But we re-entered on the second candle, which it was right here. But price came to a one, one. So it came near take profit number 2, which it was right here. That's where we were targeting, but we did take some profits around a 1.4, and then we were waiting for the rest to hit a 1 or 2, but it hit a 1.9, and then it reversed hit break even. It never reached all the way to stop loss, but it did hit break even, and then it followed through. Damn. But that's just the vibe of trading, man. That's just trading. That's what it is. That's trading for you, my brothers and sisters. So now that we're tapping into this 15-minute demand and a 5-minute demand, let's see where price wants to go now. I want to see some. Oh, shit. I want to see some. That's what I want to see. I want to target these highs right here. I want to target those highs. These London highs. I want to target these highs. I'm so sore, bro. No risk, no Ferrari. Facts. No risk, no Ferrari, bro. Real talk. We putting ourselves out there. Price does want to continue the downtrend from the lower time frames. It currently just broke minor levels of support, maintaining this 1 minute downtrend, but it's still on an overall uptrend. We're trying to see what price is gonna do from this demand zone, and then we'll decide if we want to take an entry depending on how price is reacting. Like I said, I do want to see a break of some level of resistance or something, so like that I have more confidence to take on more buys. Because right now it's not looking so good. No, I deleted it. The EMA. It seems like I did. There you go. No risk, no Ferrari. That's a fact. We put the risk on the table and accept the consequences. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. We trying to hit this 53K. All we need is 2,600. All we need is 2,600. I am going to be taking this setup if it does come back up. If it does give us an entry, I will be taking this setup. I want to give it another shot. I want to give it another shot. I want to give it another shot. $4,000? You lost 4,000 today? I'll probably have to get like another monitor or something to see when people are talking, like whoever is watching me to to see, cause here on this screen right here I have my Tradeovate open where I take the trades, where I take the setups, and here as y'all can see I just have trading view. That's all I have. Yeah, I need something else to like help me see when chat is talking to me. In 3 months you lost $4,000. Nah, I don't know about that strategy. What does MFG mean? I don't know what that stands for. What that stands for. In the span of 3 months, you lost $4,000. Why are you risking so much? I mean, 3 months. It depends how you trade. It depends how. Are you swing trading, day trading, scalping, and are you trading every day? Or are you seeing your setup every day? Because there's a difference with trading every day and seeing your setup every day. Because before I used to just trade every day without even seeing my setup. I used to trade every day without seeing my setup. Now I only trade when I see my setup. And when I see the probabilities of my setup winning likely more than likely, yeah. What is the FMFG strategy? Never heard of that. What does that mean, bro? What does the F MFG strategy mean? And what are you trading? You trading gold, Nasdaq, the ES, or like what are you trading? Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. I want to short Bitcoin, but I don't know where, what platform. I have Mexi, but I don't know how to leverage the the account. Some good opportunities on Bitcoin, for sure, for sure, for sure. How are these setups doing? Okay, 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 okay. Damn. Oh, this is the only one I couldn't take. This thing was too expensive for me. This thing was like risking 1,000, 2,000 minimum. No, I'm not risking that. What I look like? I believe in the strategy, but I'm not risking that much. You crazy? I'll be eyeballing this every minute of the day. Crazy? How about to make me go crazy? That's stressful. Too much stress. That's the stress I cannot handle right now. Look at gold, man. So it did just want to continue the 1 minute time frame downtrend, I guess. Yeah, it's over for the setup for today. That's it. We only got one setup. Done. Done deal. Say goodbye. Simple. There's no way we could get another candle that's like this. I don't see that happening. I don't see that. MFG strategy. Search it on YouTube. Everyday big risk, no money. I don't know about everyday big risk. Every day I risk. Every day is a risk, but I'm not risking big every day. Crazy? Nah. Yeah, it's over for this. Go this on some crack. We got a rejection of the 200, and never looked back from there. When we were here, and I saw this on the 1 minute, when I seen this candle come up a little bit, I was like, okay. When I seen the next candle, this green one, I was like, okay, now I have hope. We did close below, but above the previous high candle, and it basically flipped from being red all the way down here to being green. So I was like, okay, we gonna hit TP. I'm not gonna take no size. But then these two candles came, and I was like, yep, break even it is. Because there's no reason for price to come so close to take profit and then reverse. So I just put my stop loss at break even. We got a break even trade. I don't see another setup happening today, unless gold decides to do like a miracle type of setup, and that happens very less often. Very, very less often. This 15-minute demand zone was so weak, price just flushed right through it. Price just flushed right through it. I don't see nothing, bro. I don't see nothing. I'm legally blind. Mom, I'm sorry. P.O.P. Hold it down. So this is what we have. This is what we got. This is what we got today. This is what we got today. We're trying to keep our losses smaller. Previous account, we were having bigger losses than our wins. So, and we're trying to stay away. We're not trying to stay away. We're staying away from making small mistakes that cost us money, like clicking the sell button twice when you were supposed to click it only once. Big mistake. And then clicking buy instead of sell. Yeah, big mistake. And those mistakes cost money. Especially when price is going the direction that you said that it was going to go. So this we focused on winning. That's it, bro. We only focused on winning. We're not focused on nothing else. Everything else out the window. This thing gonna keep flushing like that? Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. You know what it is also? It's like when you take a loser or when you take a break even trade, it feels like you're not moving forward, especially when you want to get a payout or when when you're trying to get a payout and things like that. Like for me, it feels like this is gonna take longer than what I thought. Like it's gonna take longer than what I thought it would. In a sense, like the goal for this funded account is 3,000. Risking 300 to 400 is gonna take at least 10 winning trades, no losses. 10 winning trades, no losses. And when you take a break even trade, it just feels like damn. Or like let's say it's been like a week and your setup hasn't been presented and things like that. It just makes you think like damn, this thing is actually far, but it's actually not. But it just makes it seem because you're trying to get somewhere to get a payout. But if you have your own live account, when I did have my own live account, it was so much easier just to be like, okay, anything I make today is any money that I could withdraw. That was just the mentality, which it helped me be more patient, not care of like where it's just helped me be more patient, be more acceptive of like the fact like a break even trade. Oh, that's cool because it's my money. Or a break even trade. Oh, it's cool. Or losing trade. Oh, I'll make it back. You know what I'm saying? But when it's a funded, it's like damn, I want to get here, but I'm here. If I want to get here, but I'm here, and every time I go up, break even, go up, break even, or something like that, it just makes you think like, damn, I should have just took the profit so I could get closer to the goal. With a live account, you don't have a goal of like, oh, well, I don't believe that you should have a crazy goal, but definitely like having a goal of like, for your day or whatever you like it to be. But it makes me think like I should have took some profits here and then put my stop loss at break even. But sometimes price just breaks right through my take profit. It breaks right through and it doesn't look back. So it's just learning how to manage all that. Damn, my niece is that loud that y'all could hear. Man, damn. Damn, son. I think it's doing it. This week is looking very interesting for Bitcoin. Very interesting. What is SPY doing? Oh, SPY's having a retracement. 1% is crazy. How long is this bull run gonna last? I wonder. Oh, about to say it's supposed to be the other way around. Yeah, I'm about to be gone. There's no more setups. I'm done for today. Today we just got a break even trade, a little bit less, a little bit more than break even. Um, it was a $50 loss. Um, it was a $50 loss, so not. It was like basically break even. You feel me? It was basically break even. Um, I'll cash out tomorrow, man. Like there's nothing different. We still focus on winning. Every setup counts. I'm learning from these type of setups. Like I thought we were gonna hit a 1-on-1, but it just came to point .9. I think I'm gonna just keep approaching it the same way. Wait for my TPs to get hit. I'm not going to be moving my take profit closer, just for the fund account. Um, uh, everything looked great at the time, but as y'all can see, price was not ready to take London highs. It was targeting something else, more liquidity or something. But we taking the risk. We're taking the opportunity when it's presented. We're only taking setups that match our trading strategy or the setups that we like to take. Um, I'm gonna show up tomorrow, same time. Doesn't matter what happened the previous day. Every day is a new day. You don't count the previous days unless you're studying it. Um, yeah. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. I'm gonna say it again. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. Whoever is watching, have a blessed rest of y'all day. Be safe. Don't overtrade. Keep it simple. Study and keep moving. Simple as that. It's y'all boy DC. I'm out of here.